Warren Buffett once said, write down your top 10 priorities in order. Now cross off numbers 4 through 10 and never do anything with them. That's how important he thought it was to focus on your highest priorities. Here's the other side of that spectrum. This 3-hospital system CFO wanted to improve their underperforming revenue cycle and asked us to help them execute on what they called high-impact imperatives. This was a project they could have done themselves with help from a project management consultant. Here was the issue. They had 34 concurrent high-impact imperatives. All were in some state of execution or lack thereof, and were understaffed by leaders who also had operations responsibility. We first took them through a prioritization exercise. We asked their leaders individually to force rank the initiatives, highest priority to lowest. And then, in a separate exercise, we asked the same group to communicate the principle why they are taking on these initiatives. The spoiler alert is that the priority selections and the why criteria were vastly different across the leadership team of 15 people. Clearly, the CFO needed to better communicate their strategic vision to allow for more intentional focus for his leaders. Before we even started any execution assistance, we clarified their focus and rallied the revenue cycle department around 3 key initiatives and suspended the others for 6 months. Simplicity and single-mindedness created the traction they needed to actually achieve, which created new confidence to handle the next priorities. That's 1 Minute with me.